on the set of Rain on Me 7 Rings for this year's Castro Virtual Gala 2020.
At least I showed up, you showed me nothing at all. It's coming down on me, harder like misery. It's coming down on me. I'm ready, rain on me. Drop, but at least I'm alive. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me, rain, rain. I'd rather be drop, but at least I'm alive.
This is the Seven Rings dancers watching Rain on Me happen. Looks super sick. Never knew UCU could look like this. Woo!
It's the Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. Been through some bad shit, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls and not strings. Write my own checks like I write what I sing. My wrist, stop watching. My neck is flossy. Make big deposits. My gloss is popping. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just bought it. I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it. Yeah.
She said
She's sad.
she said winter.
She said, I'm from California.
She
And
said bird.
she said she's cold. She said she's dying. She said she needs help.